Welcome back to Shans and Zen Jamaican Vibes. Inspiring, motivating, showcasing Jamaican talents, and giving back to my Jamaican people. I want to say a big thank you to Miss Claudette, who has sponsored Mr. Ludian Facey, the gentleman that was living in the goat house that we built a brand new house. She sent donation to get him some groceries. Again, thank you to Miss Claudette from New York, and do enjoy this video.
Okay, okay. Oh, you try it first. You can try it. Every glass I work with.
Right? Three. You want saltfish or salt mackerel? You want baked bean?
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, three. Alright, go on. Come here, do it. Make sure it's small pack of this fish. Can mix it up with anything, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Want ketchup?
Right, get you and stuff.
Want brownie?
Yeah.
Brownie.
Really?
Sugar.
Soup over there.
Hold on, don't push it for me there.
Yeah, man. Use it. Okay, you can use a blue soap base cut out dirt first.
Oh. No flour, we're not getting no flour.
You give me a surprise.
Oh yeah? It's a pleasant one too.
Yeah.
Pleasant surprise, right?
Yeah, man.
You want scotch bread? You have scotch bread?
No, don't.
Scotch bread. You have salt? Yeah. So you
Well-
have Oh, I'm sorry. So we get yeah. Alright. Crackers and them something. They want some crackers? And you want bread?
Worm.
You want syrup?
Everything we can afford in the market.
Alright, we're gonna get bread down. Which one I tea? You want Cersei tea, cinnamon mint, ginger,
Give me coffee.
coffee. You want Lasco? Where's the Lasco now? What is the Lasco? Normally Lasco they want me. Now we have the crackers then over here. We have water crackers, cream crackers.
Cream crackers.
Cream crackers? One special cream or cream crackers itself?
Yeah, special.
The bread now. Alright, see your bread here now. I see what we do, you know?
Alright.
Yes. See, let me see over there. One over there. So. No, I don't.
Thank you very much. God bless him. All the way. Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Claudette. God bless you. God may let your basket restore. I'm feeling very good and I expect this. Miss Claudette, thanks very much, very, very much for my food package right here. Yeah, Mission Corner and expect here and a surprise.
Yes.
Yeah, take me this one, the one is what?
Yes.
You know? Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, man, thanks.
Again, thank you so much to Miss Claudette from New York. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for making it Shan Zen Zen Jamaican Vibes. Until next time, walk good and look out for your neighbor.